While the attorneys in the matter, APNU AFC's Roysdale Ford and Attorney General Anil Nandlal made their final submissions in writing to the court on Monday, Chief Justice Madam Roxanne George on Tuesday afternoon ruled that the appointment of the two parliamentary secretaries are unlawful. Leading up to her decision, Madam George submitted that the case before her is strikingly similar to that of Desmond Marion versus Keith Scott and Winston Felix et al. In 2016, where the former Chief Justice, the late Ian Chang, ruled that the appointment of the two technocrat ministers were unlawful. Justice George further explained that she is bound by the decision of the Court of the Appeal in that matter, given that it is a higher court, and to fail to do so would be equivalent to anarchy. The Chief Justice further outlined that the process of appointing technocrat members as well as ministers to the National Assembly is very much similar to the appointment of parliamentary secretaries. George posited that the two members formed part of the list of candidates of the PPPC, which contested the 2020 general and regional elections, and therefore they are deemed to be elected members of the National Assembly since their list emerged victorious at the polls. As such, the Chief Justice determined that their appointment as parliamentary secretaries on the basis of being non-elected members is unlawful, since they cannot be both elected and non-elected members simultaneously. On Monday, Attorney General Anil Nandlal proffered that the High Court should not follow the decision of Justice Chang and Marion, given that the ruling then was wrong. In his counter-submission, APNU AFC attorney Roysdale Ford said that the court is bound to follow the decision of the former Chief Justice based on the hierarchical system of the country's courts. APNU AFC Chief Whip Christopher Jones had moved to the High Court in December 2020 to have Browne and Ramkissoon removed as parliamentary secretaries on the grounds that their appointments are unconstitutional and on the basis that they are unlawful members of the National Assembly of the 12th Parliament of Ghana. Jones reasoned that the two parliamentary secretaries could not have been constitutionally and lawfully appointed, having not formed part of the 33 members elected to serve on behalf of the PPPC in the National Assembly. Meanwhile, the Attorney General has filed an appeal in relation to the matter. Wendell Badri, HGB Nightly News.